Here it comes. What's up, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Just wanted y'all to ride along with me today. We're about to do a test on this Tesla to see how this self-driving works. Everybody actually got access to it for 30 days. So, you know, our daily commute to the gym, we actually gonna see how this thing go. But I wanna pull out of this park real quick, and then we're gonna turn it on and just have a conversation while the car drives us to the gym. You know, this is really a new way of being chauffeured, I guess. You know, I could pay $12,000 for the upgrade or buy it with it included versus paying the driver to drive me to places, and I still have control. You choose. Would you want a driver, or would you want a Tesla that drives itself that you can also drive if you feel like taking over, whenever you feel like taking over?